Welcome to the channel, guys. Bullets Garage. On today's episode, we are coating the front lip with Adams ceramic coating. Here are the products that you're going to use on today's video: microfiber towel, IPH solution, Adams coating prep to wipe down the carbon fiber piece to make sure it's ready for the ceramic coating. You need your coating itself, applicator pad, and you're good to go. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so your first step is going to be clean the piece off with an IPH solution. So that's what we're going to attempt to do right now. Look at all that came off of that with that wipe down. And as always, we are in my garage. Ha, just kidding. We're in my basement because it's Chicago and it's still cold and it's still freezing. So this is the best we could do. I apologize for the rugs that look like crap, but this is what we gotta manage with. So this is what I gotta deal with. So I hope you guys don't mind the scenery in the background. We gotta do what we gotta do to survive, right guys? Alright, make sure you wipe this real well. Nice and thorough wipe. Get all the edges, make sure everything is wiped so there's no grease or polishing residues. So the ceramic coating can adhere to this a lot better. Alright. The second step, we're going to use the coating prep. Spray down the area, wipe it down to make sure the coating will adhere properly. You don't need too much of this, but a sufficient amount. Man, I always say this coating prep smells so good. It seriously smells like grapes in a bottle. It's crazy. It's a great plus for Adams product. So if you guys have never used it, definitely check it out. The area is clean. We could continue with the next step, which is the Adams ceramic coating. If you guys have watched my other video, you know that on the side skirt I used C-Quartz Deluxe. On the front lip, I'm going to use Adams ceramic coating so I could compare which one is holding up better over the long run. So it's going to be a little test of Adams versus C-Quartz. Alright, so let's get our paint coating, apply it to our pad. Bam. Close the top as always so it doesn't crystallize. And let's get to work. Whoopsie daisy. Let me start on this angle. This is very intricate design here, so just make sure you cover every piece, every angle, the back piece right here, so it's all going to be protected. I'm going to focus mainly on the top side for now. And then once I do the bottom, we'll cover all those areas. But for the now, we'll do the top side here. Crosshatch pattern. Make sure everything is covered. A little product does go a long way. I'm going to go about to this first mounting point right here. Actually, let me do the bottom section also so then we don't miss any areas. And you're going to be looking for that rainbow effect to happen. That's how you know it's time to wipe off the product. All right, right, so let us grab our dry new towel and start wiping where we started here. We're gonna level this out so there's no excess, high spots or low spots. And technically I shouldn't be really touching this with my fingers, but it's really hard to do since you have all these angles on the piece itself. But if you just go back over that area and wipe it down, you're going to be fine. Hey bud, you supervising this project today? Did you approve the front lip or not? Because last time when we got it, you didn't seem to be too happy with it. Yep. I don't think he cares about the front lip as much as he did about the side skirts. Nonetheless, we will continue ceramic coating this piece. So this is going to be the final piece, the bottom side. Got to make sure you get the bottom. We already got the top. Let's do the bottom. Make sure the bottom is going to be nice and protected. Kind of try to overlap the areas you've done before. Perfect. We'll let this flash for about 30 seconds and we'll wipe it off and be good to go. All right, so the product started to flash. I could see the rainbow effect happening. So let's get in here and wipe this down. We're removing any excess product. And just like that, the piece is protected from top to bottom. All right, guys, the carbon fiber pieces are complete. The front lip is polished and protected. The side skirts are polished and protected. The wheels are here sitting. They are also ceramic coated. Everything is ready to go on the car. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for warmer weather to come so all these pieces could come together and make the GSF look super nice. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe below. Hit that bell icon so you could stay up to date with my GSF build with all these parts that have to go on the car. See you on the next one.